Hi there, good morning. All right, so, well, I've been up for a bit already, but I've gotten the circuit and the weights done. Now it's time for our planks. We're going to get into these. It's going to be plank hold and then seagull where you're with one arm and the other arm comes straight out to the side. And then back to regular forearm and then the other arm comes straight out to the side. So we're going to go work through those. And it's going to be our same thing where we have our 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off for intervals. Challenge this time. See how long you can go before you come down to your knees for a break in between or push back to stretching. I'm going to try to make it at least halfway through before I push back to maybe a stretching, but I'm going to try not to go down to my knees at all this morning. I'm going to try to just kind of go through it so my stretch will still be in it, but just stretching back a little bit if I need to. I'm going to see how far I can go with it before I do it. I have held 20 plus minute planks before, but those are a little bit hard for me with my upper back, my neck problem I have. So, but we work through it, right? So we have 20 seconds. So we need to start getting ready for this. Remember, draw your shoulders back and down for the plank. Hold it tight and strong, okay? So we're getting ready for it. And we have 8 seconds. I saw the thing go to 10. And I'm like, I gotta get up, but no, I gotta get 4, 3. So come on up, push it back, and we are in it. Hold it straight back. Come on. Okay, so now we're going to take it to the side for that seagull, okay? Take it to the side for the seagull. We're down here. Our arm is going to come out to the side. Get your hips back down again. So you're started in the solid one. Hold it out to the side. All right, so now we get to take it to the other side. Or no, forward plank, then the other side, sorry. In it, draw those shoulders back, come on. Shoulders back and down. All right, so now we get to do opposite arm that you had out this time. And we're getting solid plank first. And pull it out. Come on, pull it straight out to the side. Little shaky, it's fine. Come on, 5 more seconds. Hold it up there, come on. All right, we're halfway through. We're gonna go back in again. Forearm plank. And then we get to the side we started with. Get in it. Draw those shoulders back. Come on, pull those shoulders back. Back and down. All right. Time to do seagulls. First arm, the one we started with, is the one that goes to the side first, okay? So that pose, pull it to the side. Come on. Draw the shoulders back still. Almost there. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, regular form again. We're almost there. Come on, we can keep doing this. Regular form. Almost there. Come on, hold it up there. For 5, 3, 2, 1. All right, one last one. Seagull on the opposite side. We got it. We can do this. All right, get into the plank. Hold it out. Draw that side down. Come on. Come on, 2, 1. Guess what? Push back to dolphin. Knees down. Back to puppy. Back to puppy. Now all the way. Let's come out a little bit. Push the glutes back. Walk the hands out for child's pose. So how far did you make before you had to take a break? Each time you try to do a little bit longer, hold a little bit longer, and get into it.